Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a beautiful keychain using clay. So let's start. First I took molded clay which is easily available in the market. Then after mix this I will flat this and then will cut in a banana shaped leaves. Here again I will flat some clay and make my dosha. I hope now you can understand what keychain I am going to make today. Now I am making Adarsam, famous South Indian sweet. Hey, let me know in the comment section if you already tried this, but I did not try it, but I want to try it soon. Here I am making idli, but I like dosa more than idli. Now it's time to make our pot. Keep watching. Here my all food item is ready. Now it's time to place it on a banana leaves. For that I am using Fevicol. It's ready. Now it's time to color. First I will put white acrylic color for the base. Then I will color my banana leaves. For that I am using light green color. Then for dosa, I use off-white color for first coat. Then for second coat, I mix little yellow with off-white color and paint it. Now using brown for other sum. For pot, I am using grey color. As you already seen, here I made two pots. One is for sambar, one is for coconut chutney. For sambar, here I am using orange color. Now very important task. I am shading my dosa. For extra detail I use brown color. Keep watching. And if you really like this dosa, then please don't forget to like my channel. All dosa lover, you have to like this video. Here I am shading banana leaves with deep green color. And off camera I put some detail like curry leaves using green color, mustard seeds with black color. And for coconut chutney I use little yellow with white color. And finally my South Indian thali is ready. Now we'll add the keychain and that's it. Here is the final look. Tell me in the comment section if you like it. Do like and share. And if you are a new viewer on my channel, do check my other videos too. And if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel to get notification. Hope you like this beautiful keychain. And opposite you can write any message for your person whom you want to give it as a gift. So don't just see, go and make it for the person who always forget to eat, to make the person realize that health is more important than any work. So he or she is really important. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.